Hello. Today, we're going to cover the topic 10 mistakes that end the relationship. Sometimes the mistakes we make unconsciously in relationships can weaken the bond between us and our loved ones and bring the relationship to an end. In this video, we'll recognize common mistakes made in relationships and explore ways to avoid them and build a healthier relationship. Lack of communication. Communication is the cornerstone of a healthy relationship. However, sometimes we may have difficulty expressing or listening to our feelings. Lack of communication can lead to disagreements and misunderstandings. With this video, you will learn how we can overcome communication barriers in a relationship by developing effective communication skills. Lack of empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and show understanding of the other person's feelings. A lack of empathy prevents us from understanding our partner's needs and feelings. This, in turn, can lead to distance and disagreements in the relationship. In this section, we will consider how an empathetic approach can be developed and the importance of building a deeper connection in the relationship. Insecurity. Insecurity is a major danger in a relationship. Trusting ourselves and our partner is considered an essential element of a healthy relationship. Insecurity can lead to controlling behavior, jealousy, and constant suspicion. In this video, you will discover how we can build trust and overcome feelings of insecurity in a relationship. Indifference. In a relationship, it's important to pay attention to our partner's emotional and physical needs. However, over time, apathy may arise due to routine. Indifference can make the partner feel worthless and weaken the bond. In this section, we will discuss how we can keep interest alive in a relationship and show our partner the necessary care. Constant arguments. Disagreements in a relationship are normal, but being stuck in constant arguments can negatively affect the relationship. These arguments can lead to emotional fraying of the partner and weakening of the bond. With this video, you'll discover how to reduce persistent arguments in a relationship by developing constructive discussion skills. Disinterested communication. In a relationship, it is important to communicate caring and loving towards our partner. However, sometimes we may find it difficult to show this interest in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Disinterested communication can cause feelings of coldness and distance in the relationship. In this chapter, you will learn how we can communicate with our partner in a more relevant way and strengthen the bond. Emotional dependence. It is not healthy to become overly dependent on the other party in a relationship. It is important that we focus on our own personal development and maintain our independence. Emotional dependence can limit the partner's freedom and create imbalance in the relationship. In this video, you will discover how we can maintain a healthy independence and balance in the relationship. Irrelevant future plans. It is important to set common goals and future plans to maintain the relationship. However, we can sometimes ignore or neglect matters of the future. Irrelevant future plans can cause the shared vision to be lost and the direction of the relationship to become uncertain. In this section, we will consider how we can be more active in planning for the future and focus on common goals in a healthy relationship. Disinterested listening. It is important to listen to each other mutually in a relationship. However, sometimes we find it difficult to pay attention to what our partner has to say. Disinterested listening can lead to partner feeling worthless and lack of communication. With this video, you'll learn how we can improve listening effectively and show our partner our value. Neglecting needs. It is important to care about and meet our partner's needs in a relationship. However, sometimes we may neglect our own needs or ignore our partner's needs. Neglecting needs can lead to unhappiness, disappointment, and alienation. In this section, we will consider how we can be more sensitive to needs and create a mutually supportive environment in the relationship. With this video, you learned more about 10 mistakes that end the relationship. Remember, It is important to communicate consciously and healthily, to show empathy, to build trust and to be sensitive to needs in relationships. It is possible to build a healthier and happier relationship by avoiding these mistakes. See you in the next video. Bye.